Hello everyone! Welcome back! I am so excited for all of you to join me in this learning adventure today. In today's video, we will be learning the sounds and words of some of our favorite farm animals. Now let's start by listening and by looking closely at each of the animals and practice saying the words out loud. Are you ready? All right, let's begin. Now what could this first farm animal be? That's right, it is a cow. 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 Now how about you try to say it out loud? Nice word! And cows, they give us milk. How about we move on to the next farm animal? Can you guess what animal this could be? You got it! It is a hen. 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 Now it's your turn to say it. Nicely done! And did you know that hens, they lay eggs? Now let's move on to the next farm animal. Can you try to guess what this farm animal could be? It is a pig. 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 Now how about you try? Well done! And pigs, they like to roll in the mud. How about we move on to the next farm animal? What do you think this animal could be? It is a sheep. 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 Now would you like to say it? Fantastically done! You are doing great! And did you know the sheep's wool keeps us warm in the cold? Now time to move on to the next farm animal. What animal word do you think this could be? That's right! It is a goat. 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 Now would you like to say it out loud? Wonderfully done! And goats, they love to eat weed from the grass. How about we move on to the next farm animal? Can you guess what animal this could be? That's right, it is a horse. 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 Now how about you try to say it? Nicely done! Keep up the good work! And did you know horses, they love to eat hay and graze on grass? Now what do you think the next farm animal could be? If you guessed it, it is a duck. 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 Now it's your turn to say it out loud. Well done! And did you know ducks love to swim in a pond and can fly? Now it's time to move on to the last farm animal in this video. What farm animal do you think this could be? You got it! It is a rabbit. 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 Now it's your turn to practice. Excellent work! Rabbits are also called bunnies, and they also like to jump. Now, did you guys have fun learning about the sounds and words of these amazing farm animals? I sure did. I had so much fun and had an amazing time with all of you. Keep up the fantastic work and make sure to continue to practice because learning about farm animals can be so much fun. See you in the next video. Goodbye. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe, share it with friends, and always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.